Hi folks, St. Paul Steam and Machine. I just put a digital Quill DRO on my PM-935TS vertical mill. It was really simple to do. I didn't buy all the bracketry and all the adapters and everything. I just drilled 2 small holes in my mill on the lug up here and lug down there and tapped them and made a couple of brass knurled knobs. I can literally take this thing off in 10 or 15 seconds, and I still regain the functionality of my quill stop right here. No problem with that. And I still have my original factory measuring gauge over there on the left. I've got plenty of room right here. I can actually get a finger in between. That seems to be a problem with a lot of people when they install these. And I've got full range of motion without sacrificing anything. And I still got the plastic protector on that, but it's good and clear. And I'll show you how I did what I did. See, this literally comes off in just a few seconds. It's held, it's got a pin in the back that goes in that recess right there, and it's just a friction fit. Goes right in there, just a friction fit, and you can see that I beveled a little bit to get as much meat in there as I could. And I left my marks on there for you folks, so you can see I just took and kind of filled in where the oval was on that bracket. I did have to take 3/16 of an inch off of this. I took it off the top because that's where I had extra at, so it would kind of meet where I wanted it to meet as far as on that lug and on that lug. This has to be about 4 millimeters and no thicker because it has to clear this piece right here. It has to clear that boss or that lug. So let's go over to the bench. All right, you can see the plate that I made for the back of it. And this is the lug that goes into that recess that rises up and down. It's just a friction fit, so it's not hard to do, but like I say, you can't go any thicker than about 4 millimeters or it's not going to glide past that lug on there. I did cut a little bit off of there, and make sure you kind of keep it wet and go slow because I kind of got this piece a little hot. You can't see it because it's under there, but make sure you keep it, that's actually this end, keep it a little bit cooler so it doesn't give you any problems. And then we've got my knurled knobs here. I have a little shoulder right there that fits really tight into this oval right here. There we go. Doesn't have much give to it at all, but it will go laterally. And the reason that shaft is so long is because you need that to be able to clear the bracket right there. So that's the reason for all that. All right, let's go put her back on the mill again. All right, we're back over here. This is very simple to do. Really all you got to do is get that pin located in there. Make sure you seat it in there pretty decently. Always test the how much give I have at the top and bottom. And there we go. I got my quick reference marks there. And it's just a matter of how quick you can get these knurled knobs threaded in there. I put them in and loosen them a little bit. And I'll explain that in a second. Because this is really pretty self-centering. And up, down once. And there you go. And it's all ready to go. And it's centered. Like I say, you keep all the functionality of your quill stop, your factory measuring gauge, and it's really easily to get to, and works real well. So thanks for looking, folks. As always, I appreciate it. You have yourself a great day now. Bye.